Scientific study of Vedas, creation of universe, starting from Brahma. This is the 11th class. In the last class, we have seen that the creation of universe, which is still now in progress, is based on a predetermined time schedule. This time schedule or plan is called Paramatma as per Veda. The objective of this creator of this is to create a universe within a definite period. This period is called a cycle, which is through 10 incarnations. In the first five incarnations, the complete universe is created along with all the human beings. Then after that, the progress on the earth is through human beings, and that is taking place through 4 incarnations or 4 yugas. Actually, last one is 5th incarnation. That 4 yugas are called Krita Yuga, Treta Yuga, Dwapara Yuga, Kali Yuga. Krita Yuga means Gotra period, that is tribal period. Second is colonialism. Third is socialism and capitalism. Fourth is the last one in Kali Yuga. The creation completes and creates a beautiful world, and all the people living as a member of a family, of a single family, with all knowledges, etc. Thus, the first cycle completes. Thereafter, it returns to the original position after pralaya or flood, etc. And the cycle repeats. In such a way, it is programmed or planned through Paramatma. That planning is called Paramatma. This is also based on fixed time schedule. Each cycle has its own time period, and it is repeating several times. That is called Manvantara. And after several Manvantaras, complete return to the Brahma take place. So everything is properly planned based on time period. So time is an important factor. Today we are also planning based on time. Then what is time? Time means it is the movement of, in the clock, it is the movement of certain gears in a fixed rate. Fixed speed. It results in hour, minute, second, hour, then day, month, year, etc. We know all these are synchronized with the movement of the planets. We are scheduling based of this time and calendar, but this is in synchronization with the planetary movement. Why? Because if the hour needle completes 2 rotations, that is 24 hours, the earth spins about its axis in 1 times. That is, one day or 24 hour is in synchronization with the one rotation of one spinning of earth about its own axis, and 1 month is the time period in which moon goes around earth one time, or the time taken for earth move around the sun in 30 degree, and 1 hour 1 year is the time taken by earth to move around the sun. So everything is synchronized with the movement of the planet, even the clock. In our computer there is clock, everything is synchronized. In the TV itself, the scanning process in the screen is synchronized with the time, and so on. Every plan is based on days, months, our budget is based on years, and in it is subdivided monthly budget likewise. In our body also, our breathing system, our pulse rate, etc., everything are synchronized with the movement of the planet through our Ida, Pingala, Nadi system, nervous system. These all things we can see later in the class. Each yuga is with a definite years. Each yuga, Kridayuga, Teyadayuga, Dwapara, Kali Yuga, everything is well defined. It is a definite period of time. One cycle is with a definite period of time. The life of this universe is already decided. After that, it goes back to Brahman, and then again comes back, and the cycle repeats. So it is going automatically, like a cyclic process. That means all the activities in the creation, these are taking place at the time of creation. After completing the creation, it goes back to Brahman. That planning is called Paramatma. So let us first go through such a statement in Vedas. One sukta. Only one sukta we are going through. Let us first see it.
യജുർവേദം അധ്യായം 40 മന്ത്രം 1. ഋഷി ദീർഘതമാഹ ദേവത ആത്മാഹ ഛന്ദഃ അനുഷ്ടുപ്പ് സ്വരഃ ഗാന്ധാരഃ. ഈശാവാസ്യമിദം സർവം യത്കിഞ്ച ജഗത്യാം ജഗത് തേന തെക്തേന പുഞ്ചീതാ മാ കൃതാ കസ്യ സിദ്ധനം.
It says the complete universe, what all things we see in the universe, and even the complete universe is linked with this Paramatma or Ishwar. At the same time, it says the earth is spinning about its axis, spinning, and it is also going around the sun. That means everything is synchronized with the movement of these planets. That is why it is mentioned here. We can also see Yuga period. What is the cycle, total cycle period? What is the period of each Yuga, Trita Yuga, Treta Yuga, etc. How long this earth will last? When it will dissolve? When complete universe goes back to Brahman. Likewise, everything is scheduled based on certain years. So it is a pre-planned thing. This Parabrahman is already pre-planned and the creation is taking place based on it, that time schedule. This is the basic thing that comes under the subject astrology. That is why out of 6 ankas or parts of Vedas, astrology is the most important one. It says we should go through all the sciences and watch it through the astrology, because astrology is the eye of all subjects. If there is no eye, the importance of eye is very great. If there is no eye, what all organs are there, its importance will become less. So eye is the important thing in our body. Likewise, we should watch all subjects through astrology. Then only that subject will become 100%. That knowledge will become 100%. Because what all things that is taking place in this universe is based on a time period that is linked with the movement of the planets. Not only the planets in the solar system, in the universe itself, there are a number of things moving in different directions. All these are synchronized with the movement of the planets in our planetary system, and this also is synchronized with our clock, movement of the parts in the clock, and also synchronized with the calendar. So the next thing we can see, we can go through another subject in the next class.